Got a 2021 Kawasaki Ninja 1000SX factory exhaust. The only thing put on it is the top case. Took like 6 hours to do that. Might make a video on it. So here's a cold start factory exhaust. What we're going to be doing today is give you guys the option to see how it sounds without the muffler. So I know there's not a lot of exhaust options out there right now, so basically I was curious how it would sound. So, guy with the crazy hair, what do we need to get this accomplished? You need 3 tools. First, you're going to need a 14mm wrench, 6mm Allen, and a 12mm socket. That's it. So down here, right in there, you're gonna have a little clamp. That's your 12mm. Just unscrew it. I already took it off just for the purpose of the video. But all in all, this only took me, what do you think, babe? 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
And then right here underneath your passenger foot peg on the right, you got your Allen. And on the back side, you got your 14mm nut. So you get all that taken off, then your exhaust can drop down and just wiggle her out. And because these damn things are $800, we're not going to throw it around. We're going to set it on some nice plastic. So, because exhaust produces carbon monoxide, don't start this shit in your garage. You'll want to die. Alright, cold start, 2021 Kawasaki 1000SX, no exhaust, not blowing on the tire. Let's see how she sounds. Definitely noticeably louder, definitely deeper on start. So it's cold start, so we're going to let it warm up a little bit. But if you're anything like me and you want a Japanese sport bike, but you don't want the Japanese sport bike whine, this might be the route to go. This has been Sny doing stupid shit with his new bike. Hope y'all have a great day.